This is a 1 day time frame of BTC USDT perpetual, taking a swing trade. Okay, when the price reaches 28,000, we are going to take profit. I already have another trade running when BTC was around 25,000. So I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the position size and know your risk management. So I already give you the take profit and the stop loss. So once you want to do this, you are going to double click on the entry target. Okay, double click here. You see they have bring out the calculator, so you just click on the input. So right now I have $12,487 in my normal Binance account. So this is my account size. So if you have $100, you are supposed to put $100 here. If you have $2,000 in your Binance Futures wallet, this is the amount you are going to put. Then let's come to the next place. That's the risk. I usually risk 1%, maximum 2%. So on this trade, I was risking 2% of this amount. So if I click on OK section here, okay, so if I click on OK, so we already have our entry. So you make sure you add your entry to this place before you see our entry. Now that we know our entry to be $26,032, we'll now click on OK section. So when we click on OK section, I want you guys to observe something. We have quantity. So the quantity is 0.762. That's the amount you are supposed to put in your cost. So if I go to this is one of my friend's account. So if I go here, then the cost here, I'm supposed to put the 0.7 something there. These numbers, this is the amount that I'm supposed to put there. You see the risk reward ratio is 1:5. That means we are risking 2% of our account to make 5% back, which is good. Then we have the cost. This is your margin. In Forex, we call it. Let me use the small account to set the example. So to use the small account, I'm just going to double click on this again. So you double click on the position sizing. Then when you double click it, let's go back. We know our account balance to be how much? $81.49. So we are going to enter $81.49 here. 81. So we have 1.49. So always enter all the figures. Okay, so when we enter the figures, now our entry still remain the same thing. That's our entry. Then we just focus on OK. Then when we click on OK, you see how much we are going to buy USDT. 0.005. So I'll go to my account, then I'll enter the cost to be the cost. You see the other box, we have the cost to be, so we have 0.005. So have you seen how much I've entered? Now we know our take profit. So each time you are going to take a trade, please always add your stop loss. So let's go back and check for our stop loss. Now we know our stop loss to be 25,350. So our stop loss is 25,350. 25,350. So this is our stop loss right now. So our take profit too, we enter it. So with the take profit, we know it to be 27,000. Okay, 27,000. Then we click on buy because we are using market order. We can also use the risk calculator right here to know how much we are currently going to make. So if I click on it, you can see. So the most important thing here, we are going to add our entry, then our exit, then the quantity. So I'll just do that right now very fast. So we know our entry to be 26,032. Okay, then our exit to be 2700. I'm just putting in the numbers. Then we'll put our cost 0.005. Then we calculate. Have you seen? So we are going to make $4. The initial margin, this one is not important. The ROE at that time, Bitcoin